Hey, it's Edge here for Trade Capital, and on today's video we are taking a look at a trade recap for GMT that I posted on CTC Discord a couple of days back. So this was again a very simple a strategy that I've been using a lot on crypto lately, where I've been looking for an impulse structure going up and having the possibility of course it being a ABC like so, where this impulsive structure could be a wave C or something, but again in my opinion here it looks better as a basically a start of something new, because this does not really look the best of a structure from the Elliott wave point of view. Again, Elliott or Ralph Nader and Elliott had talked quite a few times about the right look for the structures, and this to me does not look like the best. So to me this had the very good chance of starting something new from these lows of around 28.9 cents, and yeah, that looks really decent on that part. And yet again, what we are seeking is some kind of three-way structure coming down into a somewhat important area of support. Previously we can see that this area here acted as some kind of support around the $29.6 cents area, and also where we have some extension targets and 786 retracement that I really like here on crypto is there as well. And this 618 here is of course for the extensions of these. And yeah, of course it could have been that we missed the trade by this much, or basically this much, since we did not get in on it here, or even on the golden pocket. That seems to be a favorite of quite a few traders. But I kind of like the lower we go, because again, this is the only number that you're looking at any trade. This here, this 3.67, this is the risk to reward ratio. And it's basically the only thing that you need to be looking at. If this trade goes as planned and we get in on here, we don't get stopped out, and we get back on top of these, we can lose more than 3 trades to even just to break even, right? And that is so good. If we are just comparing that to the golden pocket here, where we can see that 1.67, so again, that is so much worse than the 786 here. And you can see that how much more profit we are generating with this strategy as well, just by being patient, right? Of course, sometimes we might miss trade, like we missed one of the trades not too long ago, where I think we were just like a 0.01 or something ridiculously small percentage wise away from that, basically the entry, but we never got tagged into it, and that's fine. Sometimes that happens, and yeah, sometimes sometimes the setups don't play out. It's of course, that's just trading, and you gotta understand that. But in any case, let's just focus on this one. 618, 786, we had the previous support area here, so that is the area of interest for me. First target these highs, because we want to be seeing a extension of something like this, and depending on where you have it pivoted here or these highs, you could be looking for the 0.618 as the first target. I like the highs first, because again, there's liquidity there as a concept. It could be going to 1-to-1, and yeah, those are some of the targets that we had, and let's just take a look at how it played out. So this is again, we're not in it yet, now we are, and it's taking its nice time before starting to create a move, and it almost comes back to the stop loss. It's still making sideways movement, but now it's just going so far up. And again, at this point we had hit this high here, we had hit one of the ABC targets here, yet we have not come back down enough. So we don't want to be letting go of this trade too soon, right? There is of course a possibility where this comes back and comes back to our stop, but again, even at this point, we have created so much money already at these areas of these highs, and even at these highs, next highs, 6.2 as a risk to reward ratio, that it doesn't matter if it comes back to the entry, right? So let's see how this goes. And again, sometimes this goes up, sometimes down, it doesn't matter. And as you can see at this point in time, this is like a almost 11 risk to reward ratio. Just a moment ago, it was around here, and I signaled that we should be taking another profit, because this does not really look too good. Of course, it is possible that this is a 1-2, 1-2, but again, the idea that because we went beyond the 1-to-1 extension, the idea that we have a 1-2, 1-2 is not really good. But again, looking at these extensions here, they are giving some kind of signals that, okay, this might just be mooning way higher than I'm expecting. But yeah, that might be just some other thing here. Actually, let's see, I think I had that extension wrong. But yeah, it's still in the ABC areas on either case. But potentially, again, 1-2, 1-2 if you want to be super optimistic. But yeah, we'll see how far this goes. But for now, again, that was the trade setup and the recap for GMT trade. If you're interested in getting these kind of signals regularly on Discord, check us out there. And the best way to find your way there, of course, in the description. You can find links to Discord and also our website for Countertrend Capital, where we are providing again education trades and more the community side as well. And if you're interested in getting also copy trade, that is now available as well. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I want to share on this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video again. Bye bye.